How to make your own website for music and direct-to-fan distribution, step-by-step guide. If you're tired of tiny streaming payouts, confusing content policies, or begging platforms for attention, you're not alone. Thousands of independent artists are waking up to the same reality. The only true way to control your career is to control your platform. A music website with direct-to-fan distribution gives you 100% ownership of your audience. Fair earnings, you set the price. Fan data like emails plus insights. No middlemen taking the profit. The freedom to sell music, merch, tickets, memberships, and more. Let's break down how you can build your own hub like the pros, without needing a developer. Step 1. Choose your platform, your new digital home. You need a platform that lets you host music, sell files plus merch, stream or premiere content, protect downloads, collect emails plus fan data. The most flexible and scalable choice? WordPress plus WooCommerce. This combo powers major creator websites worldwide. It's affordable, fully customizable, expandable as you grow. Other options exist, but they limit ownership, features, or income potential. Step 2. Pick a music-friendly website theme. Look for mobile-first design, audio player support, clean product pages, dark/light toggle if possible. Suggested features to include on day 1. Homepage with latest releases. Music player embedded. Shop with instant checkout. Email sign-up section. Link to social platforms. Step 3. Sell music directly to fans. This is the direct-to-fan distribution part. With WooCommerce you can sell digital downloads, WAV, MP3, stems, merch bundles, tickets or live stream access, beat licenses, memberships, or fan subscriptions. You keep 95–100% of profits, compared to pennies from streaming. Microphone. Step 4. Add your music player plus streaming options. You can embed audio player, video from YouTube or hosting, live streaming, control knobs, exclusive content area, tools like WP Stream or built-in streaming modules, coming with Crescendo Cast, give you live release parties, behind-the-scenes streams, fan-only access events. Step 5. Build fan ownership, email plus SMS. Social media is not equal to ownership. A website lets you build a real fan base you can reach anytime. Ways to capture fan contact. Free download in exchange for email. Spin to win merch promos. Join my VIP fan list CTA. Early access to new releases. A fan list is the #1 revenue-building weapon for independent artists. Step 6. Promote like a business owner. Here's the new strategy. Drive all traffic to your website, not Spotify. Ideas. QR codes that shows linking to store. Link in bio website, not streaming platforms. YouTube call to actions support directly. Fan-only bundles that can't be streamed. Bonus. Add-on tools to scale fast. Plugins to expand your empire. SEO optimization, rank math. Fan membership platforms. Push notifications. Licensing tools for beats. Live stream scheduling plus paywalls. You can build as you grow. No need to finish everything at launch. Final thoughts. Your music career, your rules. Streaming platforms are fine for discovery, but your website is where fans become supporters. A direct-to-fan website gives you real revenue, real data, real fan relationships, full creative control. The future of the music industry is independent and owned by creators, not corporations. Need help starting yours? We're building a platform dedicated to this exact vision. Crescendo Cast, a done-for-you direct-to-fan website system for musicians, producers, content creators. Sell, stream, engage, own it all. Your fans, your profits, your control. Join the early access waitlist here.